The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department, as known as LAPD. Wait, what the heck? LAPD? This does not even make any freaking sense. Why would it be called LAPD? This is just complete nonsense. It should not even have an abbreviation at all. Anyways, those fools detected a serial killer roaming around the streets of Los Angeles. Oh dear God, not a serial killer again. I hate them so much. Why do they just go around killing people for no reason? They are just cunts who like to go around with a knife or gun and just shoots or stabs them.
Tom, what the heck are you doing? And why are you not doing your job?
Well, I want to know why the heck there is a killer going around killing people.
Maybe he did something called breaking out of jail and stole weapons from stores.
Oh my God, just shut up before we fight.
Oh, you really wanna go?
Okay, square up. God darn it, that hurts so bad.
Good, and for not doing your job right, you're fired. Get out of this place and never come back. I apologize for everyone that saw what just happened. I will be taking it here from now on. The serial killer was reported breaking into many homes, attacking and killing everyone on sight. To avoid being killed by him, all residents in Los Angeles are strongly advised to follow these instructions. Close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplace dampers and seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Turn off all lights to not attract the killer to your home. If the killer breaks into your home, use armed protection by all needs. This includes lethal force. If you see the killer, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to the station for the latest news and information regarding this dangerous situation.